Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a lovely side dish. Now this is Nizami Handi. Now Nizami Handi is a very nice, rich and creamy curry with a lot of vegetables, and we're going to make it even more richer by adding some paneer in it. Now this can be best enjoyed with some nice roti, fulkas or naan by the side. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. So there are a couple of steps involved in making the Nizami Handi. So first we're going to make the tomato cashew paste. To a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add about 2 teaspoons of ghee. Next add the whole spices, add 2 cardamom, a piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 1 bay leaf. Next add 4 large tomatoes that have been roughly cut. Add about 12 cashew nuts. So cook the tomatoes till they are nice and mushy. So this will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. So the sugar will balance the tanginess in the tomatoes. So you can see the tomatoes become nice and mushy. Turn off the stove and cool the mixture completely. The tomatoes have been cooled down completely. I'm just going to transfer it to a mixer jar. Grind it to a nice fine puree. Just add a little water, about a tablespoon or so. So next we are going to cook the vegetables. To a pot, add a little water. Once the water is hot, just add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 cup of chopped beans, half cup fresh green peas, and this is about quarter of a cauliflower that's been cut up into small to medium sized florets. Boil the vegetables for about 5 minutes on high flame. After 5 minutes, add 1 bowl of spinach, that is palak leaves. So we add the palak in the end, that is the spinach leaves in the end, because they blanch very quickly. So this will just cook for about 2 minutes. Turn off the stove. Now we're going to strain the vegetables. Just retain this vegetable stock, don't throw it away. Next, to a nice white kadai, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add a large cube of butter. Butter is going to give you a nice rich flavor to the dish. Next, I'm adding a few whole spices. Bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon, cardamom, Shahi Jeera and some cloves. Next add 2 large onions finely chopped. Three green chilli slit. So you can see the onions have been sauteed to a nice golden color. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, just mix it. Next, I'm adding 2 small tomatoes finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes till they are a little mushy. After 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix everything nicely. So you can see the tomatoes have become a little mushy. Now is a good time to add the tomato cashew paste. Gently drop it into the kadai and mix everything well. I'm just cleaning up the mixer jar using the vegetable stock. Pour the remaining masala that's stuck to it into the kadai. Mix everything. So you can see the tomato and onion masala is coming together so beautifully. It's got this lovely nice aroma. Add the cooked vegetables. Just mix it all in. So you can see the masala has become nice and thick. So we are just going to add some of the vegetable stock to dilute this a bit. So you don't want to waste the vegetable stock. You can save that and use it to dilute the curry. So you can see I have diluted the curry using the vegetable stock. So the final touch to this Nizami Handi is adding the paneer pieces. So I am adding about 150 grams of paneer cubes. This is going to make this dish all the more richer. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Finally, garnish it with some kasuri methi. One tablespoon of fresh cream and some chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything. The Nizami Handi is ready to be served. There you go, here is this rich, creamy and colorful Nizami Handi with all the goodness of nice vegetables, and I've added paneer, but those of you who want to add potatoes instead of paneer, you can do that as well. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.